the trees of Vrindavan, they are great devotees of the Lord. They're greater than we are. They're born in Vrindavan. Where are we born? Are we born in Vrindavan? No. Are we always hearing Hari Kirtan 24 hours a day? No. Are we when it rains in Vrindavan, they say those are the tears of the gopis. Because what is rain? Rain is fresh water. There's two kinds of tears. There's tears of union and tears of separation. Tears of union are sweet and they're cool. Tears of separation are hot and they're salty. 2 degrees and 2 tastes. Separation tears are salty and union tears are sweet. So when the gopis, when this rain comes, the rain is not salty, it's sweet. They say the gopis' tears. They're meeting Krishna. Because it's Julan. And Radharani's in Varsana for 3 months. From Shravan Mas, and then Bhadra and Ashwin. And Kartik, she goes back to Yavat. So she comes for Julan and her birthday and Krishna's birthday. And Shrad and Pind and all these things, and so many festivals they have. So it's happy time, so that's why there's so many sweet tears falling. Very sweet time, Shravan. And today was the last day of Shravan, so it ended on a sweet note, Madaram Samapayat. So this is the situation here. So externally we're seeing there are trees with a particular designated name and quality, and they're auspicious and they're engaged in Krishna's service, but who are they actually? So we embrace these. There are a couple of rickshaw trees.